Finding the perfect travel bag can make all the difference in your journey, whether it's a weekend getaway, business trip, or adventure abroad. The best travel bags combine durability, organization, style, and convenience to keep your essentials secure and easily accessible. Here are the top 5 best travel bags, designed to enhance your travel experience with comfort and efficiency. Number 1. Nomatic 40L Convertible Travel Bag. The Nomatic 40L Convertible Travel Bag is the ultimate carry-on backpack for travelers who prioritize functionality, organization, and durability. Designed with TSA compliance, this travel backpack seamlessly transitions from a duffel bag to a backpack, making it a versatile choice for business trips, weekend getaways, or daily commutes. With 20+ innovative features, this smart travel backpack includes dedicated pockets for shoes, liquids, and tech, ensuring you stay organized on the go. The laptop compartment makes it a great computer backpack for both men and women, perfect for professionals or digital nomads. Its sleek minimalist design gives it an edge, making it a stylish yet practical choice whether you're using it as a business backpack, everyday carry, or travel bag. The luggage strap allows easy attachment to rolling suitcases, enhancing travel convenience. Built from high-quality, durable materials, this anti-theft backpack is engineered to withstand rough travel conditions while keeping your belongings safe. If you're looking for the best travel backpack, the Nomatic 40L delivers comfort, style, and superior organization, making it an essential companion for life on the move. Number 2. Travelpro Platinum Elite Spinner Tote Bag. The Travelpro Platinum Elite Spinner Tote Bag is the perfect travel companion for those who value effortless mobility, durability, and organization. Designed with the patented Precision Glide system, this compact spinner bag features magnetic self-aligning 360° dual spinner wheels and an adjustable for-stop power scope extension handle, ensuring smooth rolling and stress-free maneuverability. Equipped with modern travel conveniences, this carry-on tote includes an external USB port with a dedicated power bank pocket for easy on-the-go charging, power bank not included. It also features padded laptop and tablet sleeves, protecting devices up to 13 inches. Made from high-density nylon with a DuraGuard coating, this durable travel bag resists stains and abrasions, while its compact design conveniently fits under most airline seats. With multiple exterior pockets, it keeps essentials organized and within reach. Designed with premium fabrics and leather trim, the Platinum Elite Tote boasts a sophisticated look that blends style with function. Plus, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty and lifetime trusted companion promise, covering repairs for airline or common carrier damage. Travel smarter and in style with this reliable spinner tote. Number 3. Time Resistance Leather Duffel Bag. The Time Resistance Leather Duffel Bag is a luxurious, multi-purpose travel companion, perfect for weekend getaways, carry-on travel, or gym use. Handcrafted from full-grain Italian cowhide leather, this high-end duffel bag blends practicality, comfort, and sophistication, ensuring you stand out wherever you go. Built to last a lifetime, this premium travel bag features a tear-resistant cotton lining, durable YKK zippers, and high-quality hardware. Its impeccable craftsmanship guarantees both durability and timeless style. Designed with thoughtful organization, the spacious main compartment includes inside pockets and 4 large exterior zip pockets, keeping essentials easily accessible. A dedicated laptop pocket fits up to 15-inch. It ensures your tech stays secure while traveling. For ultimate carrying comfort, the detachable shoulder strap, sturdy carry handles, and 3-sided fold-away opening provide versatile handling options. Measuring 20.5 inches by 12.2 inches by 11 inches, this spacious yet compact bag is ideal for travelers who demand functionality without sacrificing elegance. To preserve its pristine condition, the duffel comes with a protective dust bag, shielding it from dust, sun, and scratches. The Time Resistance Leather Duffel Bag is a statement piece, crafted for those who appreciate quality, style, and lasting durability. Number 4. Gent Supply Leather Duffel Adventure Bag. The Gent Supply Leather Duffel Adventure Bag is a rugged yet sophisticated travel essential, crafted from 100% full-grain buffalo leather. The vegetable-tanned buffalo hide develops a unique patina over time, making each bag truly one of a kind. While natural imperfections add character, the quality craftsmanship ensures durability and timeless appeal. Designed for versatile travel, this 50L duffel bag features a large, flat separate compartment, perfect for shoes, toiletries, or other items you want to keep apart from your main belongings. The expandable main compartment offers extra storage when needed, all while remaining carry-on size compatible. With premium brass hardware, durable YKK zippers, and protective brass feet, this bag is built to withstand years of adventure. The adjustable and removable leather shoulder strap, 32-inch to 52, along with double handles, 8.5 drop length, provides comfortable carrying options. Additional zippered internal and external pockets ensure easy organization. Lined with a durable polyester cotton blend, this duffel is machine-stitched in China with expert craftsmanship. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or a business trip, the Gent Supply Adventure Bag combines functionality, durability, and classic style for the modern traveler. Number 5. Briggs & Riley Travel Duffel Bag. The Briggs & Riley Travel Duffel Bag is a versatile and durable companion for travelers who need functionality and style. Designed with a slip-through back panel, this duffel easily attaches to Briggs & Riley rolling bags, allowing you to transport 2 bags as one for seamless travel. Made from strong ballistic nylon fabric, this bag is water and wear-resistant, ensuring long-lasting durability. It features a sweater compartment, which transforms into a garment bag capable of holding 1 to 2 suits or 2 to 3 shirts, with an adjustable webbing strap to secure hangers in place, keeping your clothes wrinkle-free. For maximum storage, the bag includes a moisture-resistant shoe pocket that folds away when not needed, optimizing space. Additionally, the Hideaway ID tag provides discreet security, while the speed-through pocket with an orange lining helps you quickly identify when the pocket is open. Designed with travel convenience in mind, the Briggs & Riley Travel Duffel Bag is an elegant and highly functional choice, making it perfect for business trips, weekend getaways, or extended travels.